to access the on-campus parent-teacher conference sign up, all you have to do is log into your on-campus. I'm showing you how to do this here. So you log on to on-campus, and then you go to resources. You click on that, and then you scroll down until you see parent-teacher conferences. You click on it, and then you can go ahead and click day 1 or day 2, whichever works for you, Monday or Tuesday. Once you click it, it's going to bring you to the Sign Up Genius, and then if you are signing up for me, you just scroll down until you see my name, and then you can click the available times. So let's see. So I am already booked here from 3 to 4 on Monday, but you can sign up for any of the other available time slots. You could do the same for Tuesday. And then when you're finished, you just hit this down here, submit and sign up, and then it'll prompt you to fill out what kiddo, so that I can see it on my schedule, and then it'll send you an email confirmation of when you were signed up. So if you don't get an email confirmation, it's likely that it didn't go through, and you can either email me and I'd be happy to help, or email Miss Carol and she would be happy to help as well.